Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to let you guys know about some VPN review sites and also some streaming review sites and other technology sites in general that you should be avoiding. Now, there's this great article I read several months ago from Restore Privacy. And by the way, guys, not only is this a great article, but I think this video is going to help you and you're going to learn some things in this video. So I suggest that you stay tuned as you'll probably be surprised by the end of this. So Restore Privacy has a great article here, 7 VPN scams you need to avoid in 2023. So it talks about the different, lifetime subscriptions. It does a great example here of VPN services and free VPN apps. Now, I'm obviously not a big proponent of free VPNs because the main reason is they make money from selling user data. So it says 84% will leak your real IP addresses. So guys, avoid free VPNs at all costs. So there's some great information in this article, but the number one thing I wanted to point out in this video are these VPN-owned review websites. So a lot of you guys may not know that if you have ever come across a website like vpnmentor.com, these guys are notorious for this. vpnmentor.com, they rank on Google for a lot of different, VPN-related searches, such as this one, which is their overall best VPNs right on their homepage. And if you scroll down, you'll notice their rankings here. ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, Private Internet Access, NordVPN, and Surfshark are their top 5. While I have to admit that these three and ExpressVPN is a very good product, there's no denying that. If you go down the rabbit hole and hover over ownership here, what you'll find is that vpnmentor.com is owned by a company called Cape Technologies. And if you're unfamiliar with Cape Technologies, this is essentially their parent company that owns, all sorts of different, VPNs, different other, security SaaS products. So it says our top brands at cape.com: ExpressVPN, Private Internet Access, CyberGhost VPN, ZenMate VPN, Intego Antivirus, Webless Sense, and others. They own a bunch of other SaaS products here that is not listed. But guys, take note of this. ExpressVPN, Private Internet Access, and CyberGhost VPN are all owned by Cape Technologies. Okay, so let's come back to VPN Mentor. Now, isn't it interesting here how 1, 2, 3, Express, CyberGhost, Private Internet Access? Very convenient how Cape Technologies VPNs are ranked in VPN Mentor's top 3. And if you also scroll around, like you'll see here, best VPN deals on the side. So if I go to a different article here, let's say best VPNs for Android, again, how convenient. Express, CyberGhost, Private Internet Access. Just very fraudulent information here, guys. So just be aware of what you're reading and who you are trusting on the internet. The same thing goes with this site called whizcase.com. If you hover over VPNs and click the best VPNs on Whizcase, what you will find is the exact same thing. Interesting. ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, Private Internet Access, ranked in the top 3 of Whizcase. Oh, and then look at that, an ExpressVPN pop-up. Same on the right here too. Top 3 VPNs, Express, CyberGhost, and Private Internet Access. And if you hover over ownership on whizcase.com, it's the exact same thing as VPN Mentor. They are also owned by Cape Technologies, who again owns ExpressVPN, Private Internet Access, and CyberGhost VPN. So guys, I just could not let this go, and I must call out, fraudulent sites and scammy misinformation when I see it. And so avoid vpnmentor.com and avoid whizcase.com at all costs. And again, ExpressVPN is a quality product. So is Private Internet Access and CyberGhost VPN. I personally just do not trust Cape Technologies. Now, a while ago, back in, it looks like September of 2021, an executive at Cape Technologies was actually fined $1.6 million for helping a spy. So there was this big court case, and I'll leave a link to this article below too, so you guys know I'm not making any of this up. So the CIO, or Chief Information Officer at Cape Technologies, was among 3 former U.S. intelligence and military personnel who were fined by $1.6 million by the U.S. Department of Justice related to hacking-related charges. And again, at the time, it was the Express CIO. But guys, again, I just do not trust the management behind ExpressVPN, VPN Mentor, Whizcase. I do not trust Cape Technologies at all. The other thing I need to mention too is Ziff Davis. So if you're unfamiliar with Ziff Davis, this is another conglomerate site similar to Cape Technologies, except I would say, guys, Ziff Davis actually does more due diligence, and I'm going to explain that here in a little bit. So if you hover over our brands and you go to cybersecurity on ziffdavis.com, you'll notice that they own IPVanish. They also own Strong VPN and other, cybersecurity related products here. Now, if you click technology to see their technology brands, they also own Lifehacker, which is a huge site you may be aware of, PCMag.com, which is a huge site, Mashable, and some other ones as well. So, interesting here, if you come to PCMag.com on their best VPN page, they do list IPVanish here as one of the best deals. But what I have to respect about PCMag is if you come over and let's say I want to type in, best VPN. So best VPN services for 2023. What I have to respect about this site is that they are ranking other VPNs above their own products. I don't even see IPVanish or Strong VPN in here. So I have to give PCMag.com respect for doing this versus VPN Mentor or WizCase, who's just blatantly putting Cape Technologies VPNs 1, 2, 3. And also, guys, as you know, I am affiliated with Surfshark VPN. So you may be wondering, well, what about Surfshark? You promote Surfshark all the time. And for full transparency, Surfshark is owned by the same company as NordVPN. So Nord Security merged with Surfshark VPN. I believe, this was back in early 2022 that these two companies merged together. So NordVPN and Surfshark are under the same umbrella as Nord Security. So, if I research Nord Security right on the fly here and I go to this page, you'll see all the other products that they own: Nord Layer, Nord Pass, Nord Locker, and of course, NordVPN. So behind Surfshark and NordVPN, which is why I personally like these two VPNs, is there is no huge giant tech conglomerate. There's no Ziff Davis owning IPVanish, and especially there's no Cape Technologies owning ExpressVPN, private internet access, and also CyberGhost VPN. So again, guys, this is Bodie with IPTVWire.com. Really appreciate you sticking through this video if you've made it this far. I think this is very important information that you guys should know if you're in the market for buying a VPN. You simply cannot trust anything from vpnmentor.com, WizCase.com, and I also just do not trust Cape Technologies as a whole. Again, guys, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. And guys, I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.